Okay, so now we'll start the pumpkin. You start with a magic circle. So you hold it here, wrap your yarn around, and then go this way so it makes like an X. And when you turn it over and kind of hold your yarn underneath, you're going to take your hook and go up underneath this one, grab this one, and pull it through. So now it's still around your fingers, it looks like this. And then you're going to kind of hold all of this right here. Take your fingers out, and then take this long one and hold these fingers here. So now you have your working yarn here. There's a loop on your hook, okay? So you're gonna hold your yarn like you would. Just kind of hold this in place. And you're gonna grab this here, and you're just gonna go underneath and do 1 single crochet. So now this is your magic circle right there. So you're gonna single crochet 5 in the circle. So you're gonna go, this is what you're gonna crochet around, is this thing here. So you're gonna take your hook and go underneath that, behind your working yarn, pull it underneath. So now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then grab this and pull it through both. So that's a single crochet. And you're gonna do that 4 more times. So underneath, behind everything, grab your working yarn, pull a loop up through, and then grab the working yarn and pull it through both. So now you have 2, and you're going to do that 3 more times. So underneath, grab this one, pull it through, 2 loops, grab the working yarn, pull through both loops. That's 3. Same thing again. And 1 more. And just keep a hold on right here where you're working, and that keeps everything tight. So now you have 5 stitches, and you can see that because there's 1 here, 1 here, 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 and here. So they're like little loops that go into each other. So you're going to just pull that tight again. Now we're going to close the magic circle. So grab the short one and just hold here, kind of, you know, right at the junction, and just pull. Give it a good tug so that closes it. So now you can see that it's a nice circle, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. So now we're going to work around in a circle. So you're going to grab this long yarn again, and you're going to go into the first stitch, so that's right here. And you're going to go underneath both of these little bars here. So you're going to stick this first one's always kind of tight. Stick your hook underneath that one and this one, just like that. And then you're going to grab the working yarn and wiggle it through. So now there's 2 loops on there. Grab your yarn, pull it through. And then you're going to do another one in the same hole that you were just in. So right here, put the hook through, grab the working yarn, pull it through, 2 loops on the hook, and then grab it this way and pull it through both. So now we have 2 in that hole. You're going to do 2 in every hole around. So there's 4 more holes, so you'll do 8 more stitches total. So 2 in this one. Okay, 2 in this one. Okay, so remember underneath, see there's the loop. You're going to go underneath both of those. 1, 2. Okay, and then same thing here, grab it, pull it through, and pull it through. So now you should have 10. And if the hole starts to open, just give it a little tug. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the next one, we're going to increase to 15 stitches. So we're going to do 2 in the first. So again, under, there's the loop under both of these, like that. And then pull your yarn through, and then through. And then do another one in the first stitch. Okay, and then we're only going to do 1 in this one. Okay, and then repeat that 4 more times. So 2 in the first one, 1 in the next one. 2 in the first one, 1 in the next one. So 2 in this one. 1 in the next one. Okay, and then 3 more times. 2 in this one, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. Okay, now we have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and then we do that again for the next row. We're going to increase it to 20 total stitches. So 2 in the first stitch, and then 1 in each of the next 2 stitches. So this one, 1, and then again in the same one, and then 1 in the next one, and then 1 in the next one. And I like to control this. If I need to pull it back, I just use this finger. Okay, so that's 1 set done. Now 4 more times we do that. So 2 in this one, 1 in this one, 1 in this one. Okay, now 3 more times. 2 in this one. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. All right, now we should have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we're back at the beginning. So that's what it should look like so far.